Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you watch this video. Welcome to week 2 of this math class, Math 11315. I'm happy that you're here. Just wanted to give you a brief overview of what you'll be working with this week. In case anything changes, I will post a message or an announcement so you'll know what it's going to be looking at. What I have here is the screen. Please note that this is going to be looking different from yours because I'm doing it from the instructor side, because I cannot show the student view until it becomes available for you. So again, when you come in, it's going to look something like this. And notice that you still have all these things in here. When you look at it today or whenever you work on it, you're going to notice that the journal is going to be available because now you have a journal to turn in. These ones that said projects and activities, in my case, in my view, it looks with the little square because it means that you have nothing. So there's nothing in there because I haven't posted anything for that. So once you come in again, like usual, you just go to your learning modules and you're going to go to Unit 2. Mine is ghosted out because again it's not available for you yet, so that's why. So what you have now is that it's gonna say that it's starting on May 21st and it's gonna end on Tuesday. Notice that we always go from Monday to Monday, but because Monday is a holiday, this one is going to go all the way till Tuesday. And this week we're going to be covering sections 1.5, 1.6, and 1.8, which are more equations. And when we talk about more equations, it just means that you're going to be solving equations that are quadratic in form, or radical equations, rational equations, absolute value equations, and inequalities, and of course a couple or a whole bunch of application problems. So once you go in, again, I gotta remind you, it looks different than yours because I'm doing it from the instructor's side. But it's gonna be the same in either way. So you're gonna have this Unit 2 checklist that is gonna tell you what you should complete for this week. Notice that you have the reading assignments, you have the PowerPoint presentation. They do not need to be turned in. You just use the PowerPoint presentations for your own good, just to study for the class, so as an additional resource. Then you have the guided notebooks, which you do have to print, work on, scan, and turn in those. And I'm gonna ask that you please submit them at a single file. Don't submit all of them in different files because it's too much for me to start reading and it's hard for me to grade them. Then you're going to have a journal entry, and like I said, there's a journal this week, so you should be able to see the journal. Just like I mentioned this in video number for the before you begin. So if you haven't watched that video, please do so. It's in the Unit 0 before you begin. And then it's going to have a link to take you to Connect Math. And there will be some videos there which are optional for you to watch, some computational homework that you have to complete, and the quiz for this unit. And it should say Unit 2, not Unit 1, so I will fix that. So that's what we have. And so again, the readings are here. Then you have the PowerPoint. Then you're going to have the guided notes and where you submit them, and the journal. To go to the journal, just click here and it will take you to the journals. You could either do it there or you could do it here. It doesn't really matter where you do it, but just do it. And so when you come here, you just go where it says create journal entry and write Unit 2 response and your last name, and then so Rivera Unit number 2 journal, and then that's it. That's how it is. And then you write your whatever you want to have there, and then you post entry. Then you have again the Connect Math, which I told you just a link to take you to Connect Math. And then once you go there, you can log in through here, or you can just do it from the original thing. And when you get there to Connect Math, you can do it from the learning modules. And once you get there to Connect Math, you're going to have the quizzes, a quiz number 2, and then you're also gonna have the videos, which are optional, and you're also gonna have the computational assignment. In order for you to complete the quiz, you need to make sure that you have at least 60%. So this one, all the parts that are in green, which are the homework, they will be open until the end of the semester. So they'll be open till August 4th. So if you want to go back and keep improving your grades, you can do that. You can do it unlimited time for this homework, for the computational assignments. You have unlimited tries, and you can get 100% in it if you want to. These ones right here, again, these are optional. The videos, you just watch it if you think you want to watch it. You're not in any obligation. But for this guy, you need to have 60% or more in order to complete the quiz, and you only have 5 chances to take it. So you gotta make sure that you do the best when you do that. And notice that the due dates, I moved the due dates so they're like far, not exactly when our week ended. I'm giving you an extra week just in case you need it, because I know this is the first 2 weeks and things seem to be a little bit on the confusing side sometimes on the first 2 weeks. So I want to make sure that everybody's clear and things like that. So that's pretty much it. And then of course you'll have this video to watch, and hopefully it will guide you through what you have to do next week. Again, if you need to contact me, please do it through messages. Please do it through messages. Do not do it through my email. So you just go to the messages and boop, you send it there. And please, if you need to do that, do it through there. I'll check my messages what I'm doing right now is checking my messages every day from 6 a.m. to 7 or 6:30 to 7:30, depending on what time I get up. But I'll check that every morning except for the weekends or the holidays. So I'll check them, and so hopefully I'll get back to you as soon as I do. And well, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you around. Take care. Thank you.